Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making some amazing jollof rice. Like, this is one of the best jollof rice you guys are going to make. If you follow the method exactly and precisely, you are going to get a perfect jollof rice every single time. I hope I do my Nigerian friends proud. It has a little twist. Nevertheless, it was absolutely amazing. Our next step, guys, is to roast our tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, celery, and garlic. I'm drizzling some avocado oil, and I'm also using some roasted sesame seed oil, and this is going to enhance the flavor of this rice. Then you're going to sprinkle a dash of salt, and we're going to roast for about 35 minutes until it looks like this, and then place into a blender. Now first, guys, when I was given this recipe, I was wondering how can I make this my own, and then I found the perfect method, and I think you guys are going to love it. All right, I love to play with food. I love to twist things up, being adventurous with your food. I mean, not too much, but yeah. Awesome. Now before we blend this, guys, if you do have smoky chipotle peppers, this is a must have. I mean, if you don't, that is just fine, but if you do, or you can find these chipotle peppers, please use them. Okay, they add so much depth of flavor. It adds that smokiness that you look for in the jollof rice. Perfect. We're going to set that aside, and these are the list of the ingredients that we will be using now to make the rice. Not to worry, everything precisely will be in the description box. Now to fry our peppers mixture, we're going to add some oil to a heated pan, add our sliced onions and our tomato paste. We're going to fry this up first. You're going to fry this for about 5 to 7 minutes and stir consistently. Then go in with your curry powder, because I love to fry my curry powder out as well, for an additional 2 minutes. Then you go in with the peppers and tomato mixture. Add your chicken bouillon seasoned to your likeness and taste. Add your bay leaves and continue to cook for an additional 4 minutes. To another pot. Now here is the twist. I add some oil, melted butter, sliced onion, diced garlic, and ginger. And we're going to add our washed rice. Make sure to wash your rice until the water is clean. Then go in with some chili peppers and some smoked paprika, some parsley, and let's toast our rice here. This, guys, you will actually get the nuttiness from the rice, the smokiness from the peppers, the flavor in this recipe, this new method, you guys are going to absolutely love. After about 7 to 8 minutes of toasting, this is what it looks like. Now you go in with your mixture you fried up earlier. Usually you would pour the rice into the sauce. Now you're pouring the sauce into the rice, and it's going to look something like this. All right, now you're going to add your stock. You can add your chicken stock, and I'm using seasoned chicken stock. Taste and adjust as you go. No salt was added here because the stock is seasoned pretty well. All right, you're going to stir this. Make sure to catch the bottom. Bring all that flavor back into the pot. Cover. Now I cover mine and I place mine in a 350 degrees oven for about 35 minutes. And it was perfect. Taste, and you can adjust your seasoning here. All right, so this is what mine looks like. When I pulled it out, it was absolutely amazing. Now, if you pull yours and it is still hard, you can put it back in and add some chicken stock, about 2 tablespoons at a time. You can see that steam. And even though, guys, this rice was pretty hot, as you can see, you notice how loose the rice is. Okay, and just imagine the flavor in here. It is perfect. Now, if you do not like the heat, you can omit the peppers, but you can add the peppers. It depends on your heat tolerance. So here I go in with some tomato just to add some freshness and some texture. And this is the results, guys. Now, I do hope I do my Nigerian friends proud. From Berlin to Nigeria in Charlotte. You know, I hope you guys love this one. Thank you all so much for spending the time with me today. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Love y'all.